and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to automatically post new blog content to Twitter from WordPress. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to post a new blog on my WordPress account, then automatically an update for the same should be created as a new tweet on my X account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my WordPress account with my X account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically tweet your new WordPress blog post to reach more people and drive traffic to your website without any manual effort. Alright, so here on my screen, you can see my WordPress account, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to post a new blog on my WordPress account, then automatically an update notification for the same should be created as a new tweet in my X account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my WordPress account with my X account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see on my screen is the Pabbly Connect's homepage. So here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join in the community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. And then here is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another is classic. So basically new beta is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic is stable and the familiar approach. So now here in this video, we are going to use a newly launched feature that is new beta, and then we are going to click on the select. And then a dialog box has appeared in front of us. So here we need to give a name to our workflow first. So here I'm going to give the name as automatically post new blog content to Twitter from WordPress. And then it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a workflow over here. So now here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. So here we are going to set the trigger by clicking on this add trigger button, and here I'm going to select my trigger application as WordPress, as I'm posting new blogs on my WordPress account. And then here for the app event, I'm going to select the event as new post publish, and then I'm going to click on this connect, and here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my WordPress account with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my WordPress account. So this is my WordPress account, and here I've already installed a add-on, that means a plugin, that is WP Webhook. So here to install that plugin, you need to click on this plugins, and from here you need to select add plugin option given over here. And now from here you need to search for a plugin that is WP WP Webhooks over here. And after searching for that particular plugin, you need to install that plugin in your WordPress account. So here I've already installed this particular plugin. So here in the settings, you can see that particular plugin available over here. So I'm directly clicking on this WP Webhooks over here, and from here I'm going to select send data. Now here after selecting the send data, I'm going to scroll it little down, and here I'm going to select the event as post created. And after selecting the event, I'm going to add a new webhook URL over here. So I'm going to add the webhook name as new blog, and here I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received over here in my Pabbly's workflow, and then I'm going to click on this add for post create. And here you can see we have successfully added a new webhook URL over here. So we are going to click on the three dots, and from here we are going to click on the settings. From here we are going to select the trigger as post and the trigger event as published over here moving forward. And then we are going to click on the save settings, and it says settings saved. That means we have successfully updated the webhook URL over here in our WordPress account. So now here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a new post on our WordPress account. So for that, let me all take you back to my WordPress account. Here I'm going to click on this new, and from here I'm going to select post. Now here in this new post, I'm going to add the title and the description. Alright, so here I've successfully added the title and the descriptions, and then I'm going to click on this publish button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully published a new post over here. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the link for that particular blog and some other details such as the title. Here you can see the status and some more details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now after posting a new blog on our WordPress account, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to update the same on my Twitter account. That means on my X account as well. So for that, I'm going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as X, that is formerly Twitter, and then I'm going to select my event as create a tweet, and then I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your X account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with X, and here to connect the application, it is asking me for the ID and the secret. So it says please read the documentation here to know how to create a client ID or the secret. So I'm going to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to get the client ID and the client secret. So now here we are going to click on this developer link given over here, and it will take you to our developer portal. So here I've already logged in my X account, so I'm directly going to click on this developer portal from here. And now from here, I'm going to select projects and apps, and from here, I'm going to select that particular project. And then I'm going to click on the keys and tokens, and here you can see the client ID and the client secret. So let me paste all the details in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so here I've successfully added the details over here, and then I'm going to click on the save, and then I'm going to authorize the app. And now here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here's asking me to enter the message. So I'm going to enter the message as new blog alert, check it out. And here we are going to add the title and the link for the same. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever you're going to receive a new post detail through our WordPress, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the title, I'm going to map the title over here, and here for the link, we are going to map the link over here. Alright, so we are going to search for the link. So this is the link, and now here after entering all the required details, we are going to move forward, and then we are going to click on the save and send as request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new tweet on our X account for the new WordPress blog post. Alright, so let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new tweet over here that says new blog alert, check it out. Here you can see the title and the link for the same. So let's open the link, and here you can see the entire blog that we posted on our WordPress account. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as WordPress and our action as X, that is formerly Twitter, so that whenever a new blog is posted on our WordPress account, then automatically an update for the same is going to be created as a new tweet on our X account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automatically post new blog content to Twitter from WordPress. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.